trust in your friend. That man is CIA.
Trust? That's not something I come by very easily.
Not gonna help me find him, huh?
Before I found him,
I already told you, I don't know your friend.
the numbers haunted me.
Why me? Find out what's on that hard drive. Stop it.
We have more in common than you might think.
Who's looking after these days?
Will you just let me? There's someone there.
What are you gonna do? Shoot me?
Come on, Finch. Let me find you.
I'm not leaving you here, John. Sooner or later, both of us will probably wind up dead. The numbers never stop coming.
Do I ever get to meet your imaginary friend?
Now destroy your phone. Wait. You know how to find me. We're fugitives getting illegal information from a secret government machine, John.
I wanted to say thank you, Harold. You gave me a second chance.
It's not over, John. I'm close.
How did he find us?
Because you're wrong. He proves you're wrong.
It's your mouth. No questions asked.
Not all humans are bad.
Do you work for it? You'll never know.
Mr. Reese, are you okay? John, you need to get away from it. Right now.
Finch, get up! Finch. Mr. Reese? Always. Mr. Reese. What was that? Finch, get up now.
John?
I'm gonna make it, Harold.